Leo, there you are. Guys, it's been a while, but 'tis the season, so we've been busy. 2013 StreetGlide. So, handlebars, specials, we still got them going on. 10% off cables, 15% off bars. This gentleman's going with the KST Kustom Punisher 12-inch bars. So it's a quick handlebar swap. We'll do this, change out the cables. I think we're going with Magnum shieldings like we always do, Magnum shieldings. So it'll be a nice before and after. But guys, if you're looking handlebars, what is it now? Where are we at? July. We're in July already. Guys, give us a call. We'll have you in and out still. We'll get these bars on order, get your cable kits on order, have you in and out. We'll check this out, 2013 StreetGlide. We'll see the before and after and go from there. All right, Leo, got a little doc here today. 2013 StreetGlide, all set handlebar job is a wrap. KST Kustom Punisher 12-inch handlebars is done, looking good. Magnum shielding, cable kit, blacked out, looking nice. Guys, if you need a handlebar job, we'll have you in and out. This guy went with the 12-inch KST Kustom Punisher bars. Whatever you need, call for your free quote. 10% off cable kits, 15% off bars. We'll have you in and out, right, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah? Yeah. All right, check this out.